A few days back, I saw two bulbul birds sitting on the window grill of our quarter. I saw them repeatedly over some days. I understood that these two robins were in search for a suitable and safe place away from the crow's eyes. Oh, how happy I was to find that they had settled on a cobweb broom and were actually building their nest there. The nest took nearly 10 days to be built completely. Then one fine morning, I noticed 2 eggs, and the next day another was added to the tally. The hatching of the eggs took about 10 days. The birds used to come and sit on the eggs for at least 2 to 3 hours daily, and when I tried to see a bit closely, they would fly away. So I had to stay and watch quietly from a distance. Then the little ones were out. 2 on one day and the third one the next day. Now the feeding of the little ones started. Both the parents used to come, bring little worms, and used to feed them. It took about 8 to 10 days for them to grow slowly. The mother used to stay overnight in the nest, and during the day she was always nearby. 2 little ones flew away in my absence. The third one, probably the one which hatched later, had a fall from the nest, which got tilted while the other 2 were trying to fly. I carefully lifted it and placed it back inside the safety of the nest. Mother used to come and feed it there. It was weak, probably because of the fall from above, and so it took a day or 2 for it to get stronger. চেষ্টা করছে, পারছে না। ওটা মাটা, হ্যাঁ ওই যে দেখো না বারবার আসছে, আর এও দেখো একটু একটু করে ওই ওপরটা ওঠার চেষ্টা করছে লাফানোর, কিন্তু পারছে না। सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये। The final moment was near when it would fly away. But what was not supposed to happen did happen eventually. A crow suddenly came from nowhere, picked the little one with its beaks, and flew away. What more to say? Nature has its own way of life.